How to fix Doordash login error. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To fix the Doordash login error, firstly you need to check your Wi-Fi connection, for which you can scroll down the notification panel and check for your network. If your network is acting up, you can switch into mobile data or enable your airplane mode for a couple of seconds, then you can turn it back off. After which you can open up your Doordash once again. Now you will have various of method to log in into your Doordash. That is email, Google, Facebook or Apple. You can select on any of the option. Also one thing to consider that check if Doordash is available for your country. For an example, since it is not available in mine, I will have a notification like this. In that case, we cannot do anything in our end. However, if Doordash is available for you but still you are facing this problem, check out this next step. So what you can do is you can press and hold onto your Doordash, then head over to App Info. From here, you can click on the 4-stop button and OK. Then head over to Storage and Cache and tap on the Clear Cache button. Head back. And right here you will see this Open button, you can click on it. Just like in your PC, when an app does not work, you run it as an administrator. By clicking on the Open button, you'll be doing equivalent to it in your mobile device. So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.